Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily, and in today's video I will be sharing this super cute little jelly tote bag, and this one is called Witch Shoes Jelly Tote, and it's from Scrap Diva Design, and it's just the cutest little bag or goodie bag that it creates for the holiday. And I wanted to back my front here with a sturdy paper, so I cut some gray paper and then I will inlay the piece. So this could actually be the beautiful piece that you will have sort of on the front as well, but I didn't use it like that. You could also create like a shaker if you like. I didn't, but it gives you a lot of options. So you can see I had a pattern paper, a striped one, and this is from the Hey Pumpkin collection from Create Paper. It's a really old one, or I don't know how old it is, but it's an older one. I had it in my stash and I have been loving to use it for the projects that I have been creating lately. So if you follow my channel, you will probably see or have seen many projects like this created with this collection. So if you have it, please give it a try and use it. I think it was sort of so fun to use it like that. And I will now be here in a second just creating the second panel. So I will glue the other side on, and I like to use liquid glue for this. You could use hot glue. I am not a big fan of that. I sort of always manage to like burn my fingers, and it always like takes a second for it to dry. So when I go to press it together, it's like already dry. I don't know if anybody else has that problem with hot glue. It's just my experience, and I'm no pro at it at all. I just want to mention that. Since I don't like it, I tend not to use it. So that is why I'm just trying to stay away. I thought I was going to be smart and use my ruler just to attach those, but it ended up not being that smart, so I did it off camera because it was actually, all of those tabs were hard to catch on video when I put together. The angle sort of didn't go nicely on camera, if that makes sense. But it has all of those tags, and it goes on the side of my tote here. You can see how they were all attached. And I wanted also to embellish this a little bit, so I cut this cute little ghost out. It's from the new Ghost tag set, and I also cut a couple of bows here from an older set. It's like a set where you can create sort of bottles for perfume or yeah, whatever. I can link it down below for you if you like to check it out. But it comes with these tags, ghost tags, and you can create these cute faces. You guys, look at that, it was so cute. And I had other idea also. I took the base of the eye, and then I had those shakily bit eyes, googly eyes maybe it's called, and they are so cute, so I put them inside. And then we have that mouth that is sort of wonky like a ghost. It's just adorable. So you can see I will put my bows together here on camera for you so you can see how that goes. I used the same paper, it's the same one from Create Paper, so it will all be matchy when it's all done. And you can see here I just popped some foam. So for one of my ghosties I had a glitter paper on top and white in the bottle, and on the other one I had the opposite, so I had glitter paper for the ghost. That's the one I'm gonna use for this project today, and the googly eye. So that is just so cute. And you can see here how nicely that goes, and a little bow on top. So I will attach everything down. You can see I used some more liquid glue, I just like that. And for the mouth I just wanted some dimension, so I popped it up with some foam. And yeah, there we go. I also wanted to share a piece of footage when I'm putting together my dangles here, because it's nothing I have been like doing before. I have just done it for the Halloween cards for this season, so I have been doing like the same ones over and over again because I just liked how it looked on my 3D project so much. So you can see I had an orange and purple bead, and then I had a gold chain. And then I will also have some sort of like beautiful piece at the bottom. I had a pumpkin on some, and I had just star on some, so it depends on what I did, but I thought it turned out super sweet. And here I was fiddling around with what I was going to use. I decided not to use the broom in this one. Instead, I took some twine. This is a heavy twine from my stash and it's in gold. I put my sentiment on top of my ghosty and I created this sort of like a tag. You can say I just pierced a hole in it. This is a tag with a large hole, but I didn't want to use it like that. I hope that makes sense. So I used a bow to cover up the larger hole there, and I will just have my little hole there on the side to hold this all in place. And that also made it very nicely for my beads to be at the side of this and not be in the face of the ghost. I hope that makes sense. So you can see here I tied a little bit too hard. I wanted it to be hanging down more. So you can see I will fibble around until I get the perfect length of that twine that I used. So here you can see how it all turned out. I hope you got inspired to create something. The back is so beautiful and you can definitely decorate this a lot more. I like clean and simple like this. I like to see the stitching on the pattern there, and our little ghosty really takes up the focal point. This was so much fun to create. I hope you enjoyed this, and until next time, have a great day. Bye!